Question 3 starts off by giving us this function. X is in radians. We've got a range of values that x can take between -40 and 20. It says show that it can be written as x equals 6 lots of the cube root. So that looks like we're making this x the subject here. So, oops. If we're making this equal to 0, I'm going to move the 10x and the 1 to the other side. Oops. I'm going to divide by 3. So it's going to be a 30th of x plus a third. Now, just be careful of how this is written. This is x over 6 cubed, not sine cubed x over 6. So it's not the whole thing that's being cubed, it's just the x over 6 that's being cubed, which means the next step is to take the inverse sine or arc sine. So that's when we take the arc sine, that's going to be x over 6 cubed equals the inverse or arc sine of this. Then I'm going to cube root. And then times by 6. So x is equal to 6 lots of the cube root of the arc sine of a 30th x plus a third, which is what they had in their question. We've got exactly the same thing there. Part B now wants us to use this iterative function that we've created in part A, letting x0 equal 4, wants us to work out to 3 decimal places x1, x2 and x3. It's dead simple to do on your calculator. I've done a video on how to do this on your calculator if you have a look through my playlists. But I'm typing in 4 and I'm pressing equals, and then I'm going to type this function in here as it is, but when I get to my x, I'm going to just press ants, so the last answer button. So that's why I stored 4. So 4 equals, then type this in, pressing ants when you get to the x, or any x's in the function. So that first one is 4.716. The good thing about this is you can just press equals again. 4.802 equals again 4.812.